Hi guys, so I just wanted to hop on here really quick and show you how to get these lashes, all right? So it's very quick. I'm blown away. I know many of you who have tried this mascara are blown away. And for any of you who have not tried this mascara, I'm gonna show you and also show you some tips and tricks. So the thing with the mascara is the wand is very important. It's not like your other mascara. So do not be pumping your mascara like you do with other mascaras. You just want to twirl it out and take it out very slowly, okay? There are fibers infused in this wand. You don't want to be pumping it. You want to kind of twirl it up and take it out slow. If you take it out quick, it's going to be a little clumpy, like it's going to be like too much product. And you don't, the key to this, the key to getting lashes like this, you don't want to waste product, number one, but you want to take it out very slowly, okay? It's a slow process. Don't be fast with it. And I'm going to show you, you could either use the mascara on its own. This is the 4D fiber infused in the wand mascara, or you can actually use it in combination with the primer. So this eye, I did it with the primer. I'm going to show you how you do it with the primer because I'm loving the result. Oops, just dropped something. Okay. I'm just gonna show you how you do it with the primer. So the results are just crazy. Okay, so you're just kind of coating the primer on. This primer has ingredients in here that are going to be nourishing your lashes too. So it's actually growing your lashes because your lashes are healthier. So it's like a 2-in-1. All right, so you literally just put it on really quick, just like that. That's the primer. Now, the mascara, again, take it out of the tube slowly, all right? There are two sides to the wand. There's a side that's gonna give you length and separation, and then there's a side that's gonna give you volume, okay, and curls. So you definitely wanna apply it one way and then turn the wand and apply it a different way, okay? I mean, look at these lashes. Am I close enough to you guys? Can you see? Okay, so now you're just gonna, however you apply your mascara, and try different ways. I hold it here, I'll blink it on. I find that way I get the longest separated lashes. I hold it in place and I just blink. Look at that. Already these are crazy long lashes. You saw my lashes, they're not this long. And you do not need to reapply, okay? You do not need to put it back in the tube. I literally do one for one eye and then put it back in, take it out slowly, and do the other eye. I never have to dip this back in. And look at this. I'm just blinking it on very lightly, okay? Now, if you want, you can turn the wand too. Same thing. Now it's gonna give me a little bit fuller of a lash, right? Look at that. Oh my God. This is just insane. Okay, you could turn it again and get a different angle of the wand. And I'm literally just blinking it on. That's it, all right? Now, look at that, all right? I know I'm really close to you guys. Can I move you back? All right, anyway, so you could always clean up if you get a little messy with a Q-tip or something, but that's how you're gonna get the best looking natural lashes. I have not seen anything else do this. Anyway, message me if you're interested in it or have any questions at all. Okay, bye guys.